Hello students, welcome back to all. In the previous lecture, we have learned about scientific method of history and sources of history. Today we are going to learn about history and us. It means how the history help us to find the answers to many questions. The environmental science studies the problems which are related to degradation of environment. My dear students, degradation means it is the process of lowering something. For example, if there is a problem of pollution, science find the solution of that problems. Same way, history studies events of the past. Individual or collective actions of human beings have consequence. They result in an environment that may be either favorable or unfavorable for the progress of society. Dear students, this affects our day-to-day life. For example, if the people of a village work together and help one another, the village makes good progress. However, if the people cannot come together, it puts obstacles in the way of its development. My dear students, if we planted more trees instead of cutting trees, this action help us to stop the pollution. Same way, if we work together, live together, no one can harm us. If the people cannot come together, it creates obstacles in the way of their development. History tries to find out answers to many questions by studying the way of thinking of past societies, their actions and consequences. The study of history enables us to learn things that are favorable and those which are unfavorable for the progress of human society. Dear students, in this way, it provides us guidelines about how we should behave today to save a good future. It inspires us and motivates us by telling the life stories of great people. My dear students, when Shivaji Maharaj was small, his mother Jijamata told him the stories of great persons which inspired him to be a great king. We learn about the progress of human civilization. Every village, city, district, state and country has its own history. Similarly, the earth, its mountains, water bodies, the animal world, mankind all have their own history. My dear students, we have also our own history. Dear students, we also come to know that scientific discoveries that brought changes in human civilization. Electricity, invention of penicillin, invention of DNA, extra are the examples of scientific discoveries. Now let's see about the past and future. The past, present and future are linked by continuous chain of events. For example, now let's see the examples. The Indian people fought against the British government to get independence. This is a historical action. As a result, India became an independent nation on 15th August 1947. So, we can say that independence was a consequence of an action, that is, the Indian people struggle for independence. My dear students, when British came India, they ruled over us. We didn't have the right of education. They treated us as a slave. So, our great persons, our great leaders like Lokmanya Tilak, Mahatma Gandhi, then Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and such many were fought against British for independence. My dear students, these leaders sacrificed their lives for us, and on 15th of August 1947, India became free from the cluster of British rule. So we celebrate the day 15th August as an independent day every year. So my dear students, in this way, the events of today are linked with past actions. When we understand this, we realize that the future depends on past events. If you studied hard, you will be get good and more marks. Even you will get more knowledge, and this knowledge helps you to be a good citizen, a great person. May you will be success in your life. So dear students, let's see the examples of the inventions and technology of the past. Stone Age man used materials which is available in nature and made tools or weapons. And they made tools or weapons with the materials which is available in nature. Further, he learnt how to make use of fire. He also invented the wheel. See the screen. The picture shows us how the Stone Age man made use of fire. He rubbed two stones together to create sparks of fire, or they rubbed dry branches together in the wind. Now see the screen. There is inventions and technology of the present. Because of invention of solar energy, we use solar cooker to prepare our food. There is great development in the field of information technology. So today you are able to learn and to watch the videos, to listen the lectures while sitting at home. So my dear students, I conclude here. In this lesson we have learned What is history? The scientific method of history, the sources of history. Also, we learn how history helps us to find answers of many questions. Inventions and technology in the past and present. So, my dear students, write down the notes and solve the worksheet in the notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.